Hey guys, just a little video here. This is the T Series Android 13 model. This time here, it is like a widget. You can actually get rid of it, or you can click and hold on it to keep it. Now, it's going to bring up the data that it was sort of set as, but just at the moment, the PCB board is developed in China, so that is what it's like saying. So to actually change that, you need to come in to your network. So scroll down from the top, choose like Wi-Fi. One will come up, type in your password. You'll see I've just connected to the office Wi-Fi here. Now, if you're doing this and you have your phone hotspot hooked up to wireless Android or like a wireless CarPlay, please turn this off before you do it. So best thing to do is before you start the car, turn the Bluetooth on your phone off. That'll stop your phone trying to take over the hotspot. So I've got internet's there. To check internet, you can actually come into Chrome here and make sure it all loads up. This is the first time we've used it on here, so it's just a bit slow, but going into here, and you can just check that whatever we search brings up internet, and the internet is working. So that all seems fine. That is happy days. Come into here, you should be able to just touch it. Click the settings top left, automatic position, that's fine. Hang on. Click over here on this here, and you're going to bring all this up. So Oceania, Australia, Western Australia, we're in Perth here, so I shouldn't put that in. And then go back home, and you can see we've adjusted that to Perth now. That is pulling in data from the internet, so that's why that widget sometimes is not the most handy one. If you touch and hold on the screen, you can go like widgets, and you can put a different one in. So most of them will be under this custom UI one here. If you want to have a look under there. But that is obviously putting that temp data in. You can see obviously if you touch on here, we're actually putting in the weather for the week, etc. So that's how you can change and update that. You do need to hook it to the internet. That's all going to be fine, because obviously once you disconnect from the internet, if we turn that off now, done. And if I reboot this and restart it, I'll show you what will happen. So when your car goes off and back on, you should still be holding that data. So that's there and how you change that.